The only one that's got plenty of athletic on a ball up and he just laid down.
Role in winning the Revolutionary War. Remember that everyone signing the Declaration of Independence in August of 1776 was aware of the glorious victory in Charleston Harbor. Every nuance about this victory is another nugget for us to savor as our state stands in unity to celebrate a major milestone.
But this place and this victory resonates very profoundly with me, and I think it should with all South Carolinians.
This time we're doing it on purpose. Patriot forces are running low on supplies. 500 pounds of gunpowder arrive with a note.
The battle marked the first major victory for the Continental Army against the British Royal Navy, proving that the Americans, despite being outgunned and outnumbered, the soft palmetto logs of the fort absorbed the British cannon fire effectively. The British fleet suffered heavy. This is the original South Carolina flag. The palmetto was added to the flag.